You can plan everything perfectly, but when you're building on a budget, flexibility becomes your greatest tool. Welcome to part 31 of the journey from idea to fantasy sports platform in 100 days or less. There's loads of development work happening right now, and the communication with the team is excellent. Refining details, fixing bugs, this kind of collaboration is what keeps a project alive and exciting. When we started, I sent the developers a very detailed document, broken into sections, subsections, and sub-subsections, basically every part of the platform from top to bottom. So here's the final MVP breakdown. The admin section is a content management system. It lets me see all users, manage players, and edit text across the site. The user section lets users buy players, build teams, see gains or losses, transfer players, and update their profiles. We also have secure logins and logout functions for both admin and users. Then there's the credit system. Users will buy players using credits, and admins can manage those balances behind the scenes. So far, so good. But let's talk a bit more about project management. Ideally, I'd use a tool like Trello or Jiro to manage all of this. These platforms let you break things into epics, big feature blocks, and then smaller stories, which are the individual tasks with acceptance criteria inside those. Normally, you'd set timescales and group them into sprints, usually 1 to 2 weeks of focused work. That's agile methodology, clean, structured, and efficient. But the reality? These developers aren't used to working on projects at that scale. They're talented, but they work differently. So instead of sprints and tasks, we're just tackling full sections at a time and doing larger scale testing after each one. This is more of what's called waterfall methodology and doesn't afford the flexibility of being able to make changes as we go. So I've got all fingers and all toes crossed that they get it right. It's also going to be more time consuming for me, but honestly, for the price I'm paying, asking them to completely change their process would probably do more harm than good. So for now, we're adapting. They're giving daily updates, asking smart questions, and genuinely seem committed to getting this right. So if that continues, I'll definitely be giving them a solid recommendation later on. Hit like, follow, and join me in the next part when I'll talk more about the artwork and design side and how I'm creating the player caricatures and using AI tools to bring the visuals to life.